Welcome back, folks. This is lesson 95, and I've been asked by one or two people, beginners, to do something that's quite simple and basic for them, so they can get their feet in the water. So what I've done, I've chosen this just a simple picture, and this is it's on the 140-pound knot paper. It's not very heavy. It's not very this, not very that, and very the other. But it's a practice paper for me, and I'm going to just knot this paper. I'm just going to paint this quickly, and let's see how easy it is to sort of do something simple. Okay, so let's get started. The colours we've got today is our usual colours, which is ultramarine and burnt umber, alizarin crimson, and raw sienna. So that's it's a basic set of colours that I'm going to find some for you. There they are. That's the ones. So there's hardly a sketch. I put a couple of pencil lines on here just to see, clean water this. And I'm using the mop brushes for this. So you can't fiddle with them. So it's going to make things easier for you. Wash over this, and let's put some sky into this. A bit of raw sienna in there. It's not a sunny day. This is just a sort of a basic picture of a simple tree and a bit of sky, and you can't get more basic than that, can you? In fact, I'll do it all over. How's that? That's easier. Now what I can do is put on the ultramarine and burnt umber. Just try and sort of put in some. This is sort of background colour. Put a touch of brown to that, and I have some just here like this. More grey. You can depict it. I mean, this is distant stuff. Could be a tree in the distance like that. And then when you get to that stage, I think we want to leave some mist in the background there, so I'll dry that. Getting the most of it out of there, but we'll start and putting some bits of touches of background in this now. This is a bit of a grey just here. I'll restate that tree just there. It was too wet, I lost it, if you like. Don't worry, you can always put it back in again. And the tree in the distance there, and so there's some closer stuff just here on this side. As I said, it's not a masterpiece. It's just something to set you going. Just touching that with some burnt umber touched into that. I'll start and put this tree in here. There's a tree here. Let's pop that in. It's an old tree. It's a wiggly, nondescript tree, if you like. But the thing is, it's a tree. It's a tree, and it's on its own, and it's there. So let's put an undercoat of this and see what we get. I say it's a twiddly tree. Just grow it up there. The light today, folks, it's coming from the left, so let's decide on light. It's a misty scene, so there's not a lot of light in it, so the dark on the tree will be on this side, won't it? A bit more dark in there. Nice little branch down there. Mix a bit more powder. I don't want to mix too much paint because I don't need it. Perhaps have a nice knobbly branch coming out of this here. Like that. I'm just dipping in the paint and mixing more as I go along. So I'm not going to get all the same colour on this tree. Another branch up here as well. Probably get one or two bits around the bottom of the tree and light this up. The stuff that wants to grow, and yet the tree has taken over, so it's lost its plot. These bottom bits. Get some on the tree itself like this. Right, that burnt umber, it's a nice colour, that burnt umber. You can use it quite a lot. I'll introduce it a bit more now. Let's see where we're going. Add it into that mix. And let's put into here. I think we'll have a little touch of raw sienna with a touch of French ultramarine. That should give us a subdued green. That's all I want. It's got to be subdued, or I don't want it. And we're going to get this sort of stuff down here. Get some down this side as well. For a bit of fun, I'll try and put a bit of a subdued path in there. How's that? Nothing special. Don't get bogged down with detail. This is not a detailed painting. It's just rough. Get some darks into here. I said this is all just with this one mop brush. I said the beauty of it is you can't fiddle with it. So enjoy it and accept what you've got. And if you don't like it, turn the paper over and have another go. It's as simple as that. push it a bit more. If you do a paint like this, it does say you begin. You'll not be tight. You'll free it up, and you'll think, wow, that was all right. Just have a go. Have a go. Don't let it suppress you at all. Just have a go. I can even put some more in even more depth down in the background there. Even more. Just down here. Put a bit of depth in there. Like a bit of dark in there. And I can feel myself now starting to fiddle. So that painting is, as far as I'm concerned, it's done. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's a quickie. If you did like it and you're a beginner or improver or whatever, please give us a tick and a like, and I'll see you on lesson 96. In fact, I'm fiddling now. See, look, I know how to do that. I'll see you on 96. So until then, folks, bye bye.